Trivia. Kasi kanina parang tumitingin ako sa crowd. Sabi ko, ba't yung isang contestant nasa crowd? bakit parang hindi siya nakapag-prepare? Yung pala, magkamukha lang talaga kayo. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? Andun siya, nakikita ko siya.
Oh yes, she is my twin sister and my other half.
Oh, diba? I have a twin sister. Sabi ko talaga kanina, wait! Bakit hindi pa siya ready? Alright, so anyway, ikaw, ready ka na ba? Okay, so eto na, bubunutin mo na. Although wala ka na talaga. Ay, may choice ka pa! Maganda yan, lagi kang may choice sa buhay. Okay, so the last photo to be described today is photo number 10. Photo number 10.
This photo captures the mesmerizing ritual of the Ibaloys, which is ang pagkakatay ng baboy. And it is done as a sacrifice for an event such as occasions, celebrations, or may it be a grief for us Ibaloys. And what I can see is a celebration of the Ibaloy community and the pagkakaisa ng isang Ibaloy community when we gather and create a successful event. Thank you.